Hi, Melissa here, Senior Burst Ambassador and Registered Dental Hygienist. A big part of my job is to talk to my patients about how to avoid the need for dental treatment. Tooth decay is easily preventable, and of course, brushing and flossing is super important. But there are some things that you can do or change up with your oral hygiene home care. In my video, I'll be sharing some easy tips you can do to save you money at the dentist. First, let's talk about what causes a cavity. A common myth is sugar causes cavities, but sugar itself isn't the cause. Sugar gets consumed by harmful bacteria found in plaque, then gets converted into acids, leading to a cavity. And when I say sugar, it can mean carbohydrates or starchy foods like crackers, pasta. And tooth decay doesn't happen overnight. It forms slowly over time. Now, teeth constantly go through demineralization and remineralization. Now, understanding the balance between the two is very beneficial. Demineralization refers to the loss of minerals from teeth. This is caused by acids found in our foods and drinks and harmful bacteria found in plaque. If your teeth are spending more time in demineralization, this increases your risk for tooth decay. So, how do we increase the remineralization period? You can do a couple of things. How many of you rinse out immediately after you brush your teeth? This may sound crazy, but it helps to not rinse out with water, but to just spit out the excess toothpaste. Why? Well, fluoride and nanohydroxyapatite are important ingredients found in toothpaste. They help strengthen tooth enamel, making it more resistant to tooth decay. And it also reduces the amount of acid that the bacteria on your teeth produce. So spitting out the toothpaste without rinsing with water ensures those cavity-fighting ingredients will remain on your teeth for a longer period of time, making it much more effective at cavity control. Floss first, then brush your teeth. Yes, I said that. No matter what flossing method you choose, by removing that harmful plaque and food bits between your teeth before you brush, ensures toothpaste will reach those cavity-prone areas, making it much more effective at reducing tooth decay. Now, did you know if we catch a cavity before it spreads into that second layer of your tooth, it can be reversed? This x-ray right here shows a great example of what a cavity looks like when it starts to form between your teeth. So the outer area of the tooth is called the enamel. This is the white part. You can see that that triangle, which is the cavity that's developing, hasn't penetrated into the second layer of your tooth right here, which is the dentin. Slow the growth of a cavity by using a fluoride paste, nanohydroxyapatite, or a xylitol paste. Put a little dab on a floss and floss directly in that area, and that will help remineralize those areas. It may not completely reverse it, but at least it's going to slow the growth of it as long as possible. This is why it's so important to take those dental x-rays at least once a year. They will help us spot tooth decay before it becomes a problem. This can save you hundreds of dollars. Don't have a toothbrush and you just ate. Not a problem. Chewing gum that's sugar-free increases saliva. And calcium and phosphorus are some of those helpful minerals found in our saliva that aid in tooth enamel repair, keeping our teeth healthy, strong, and more resistant to cavities. Another helpful ingredient to look for in gum is xylitol. Now, xylitol is a natural sugar alcohol found in plants, and it really has the same sweetness as sugar, but it inhibits the growth of bacteria. How does that happen? Well, xylitol essentially starves out bad bacteria, helping reduce acids and absorb calcium to strengthen the tooth enamel. This raises the pH of the oral cavity, which aids in preventing tooth decay. Here are some types of gum to look for that have xylitol. Xylitol gum is most effective if it's listed in the top 4 ingredients. Being that it's one of the last ingredients, unfortunately, that's not going to work. Now, if you're going to enjoy that occasional soda or other favorite sugary drink, there are ways to minimize the damage to your teeth. Don't sip sugary drinks over a long period of time. It's actually better to drink it all at once. Even better with meals, as the food will actually help buffer the acids. And if you're done eating and you have some soda left over, be sure to toss it. Another useful tip with xylitol is to pick some up at the store, and you're going to use this as a mouth rinse or a drink that you sip. You're going to stir a half teaspoon of xylitol in water. This will help increase pH and lower acids. And those of you that have pups at home, be sure you keep any xylitol products away from them. Keep them in a safe place, lock it up. It is very toxic to your pups. I truly hope that these tips will help save you money next time you go to the dentist. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. And if you have not subscribed to Burst TV, please do. Take care.